gorgeous. This is once again Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is the casual wears, office wears. It's a low maintenance and it's all half tussar and super net kota fabric with little bit of hand embroideries and also machine embroideries, and it gives you a really rich look. What I'm wearing, it's a super net kota fabric with machine embroidery and with a beautiful silk cotton kind of dupatta with all over embroideries, where I have got lovely colors in these. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. This is a super top head design, so we have got lovely colors in this, so that you can select according to your taste. Alright, these are all casual wears and most economical wears. Then comes, these are all mixed fabric with silk cotton. Alright, see this. See, we have this is an embroidery with cutwork embroideries. This is the silk cotton pant with an amazing dupatta. In all the fabrics, I have got colors. See this, all lovely dupattas, and you can find colors in this one with this combination, and then this one. All right, and then with a beautiful black color and with this combination. So these are all right now available in our website. You please log on to our website, or else Instagram people, please click my bio and then you can find all the products. If it is sold out alone, we will be removing it from our website. Alright, and this is such a beautiful chiffon dupatta with all over embroidery, where I have got lovely colors in this. See what a beautiful hand embroideries you can find. Right, and then now comes gicha fabric. These are all the different colors I have got right now. I'll open this yellow and show. These are all gicha half tussar, half product of economical ranges with beautiful hand embroideries, and this is the top, pant, and this is a kota, super net kota dupatta. Alright, and then comes, these are all half tussars. One, I've got lovely colors with lovely patterns. See, these are all embroideries, where I'll open this one and show. See this top with a beautiful handwork, and this is the pant, and this comes with the beautiful embroidery dupatta. So the dupatta comes here. Alright, and one more design is this, where I'll open this blue and show. This comes in the center part in this way, like this way. Alright, and then this comes with the silk cotton pant. These are all really easy maintenance, and with this budgeted range, it looks really good on you. Alright, and then this, I have got one more color, and then you see these are all cut works. So this, it's a dark peach color. So this is the cut work neck pattern, and then comes with a beautiful dupatta. Alright, and then with a pant. See this, and these are all the 3 different colors. I'll open this black and show. All are mixed fabric. Because it is mixed fabric, the maintenance is very easy. See, this comes with a beautiful netted dupatta. All lovely ones. Alright, and then comes these once again, the gicha half tussar fabric. See this. These are all the 2 different colors which I have got. I'll open this aqua greenish blue with a beautiful hand embroidery, French knots kind of. This is with this dupatta. It's a what to say, you can find all holes all over this, and it's a cotton super net kota dupatta. And then comes this. Once again, it's a black. See this. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. else click the above link which will straight away leads to its page. All are value added items, and once again these 4, all lovely collections, all are casual wears. Nice beautiful stuff I have got today. See this, it's all French knots and with a beautiful dupatta which with a contrast matching pant. Kota dupatta. Alright, you can find all value added items. And then comes these. See this with a kardana works all over. And I will open this and show. Lovely color. This color is now in trend. See this. Nice fluorescent color with a beautiful, amazing dupatta. It's nice showing different colors, different concept for you guys. See these? All lovely French knots all over. I'll open this chiku color. See this, and this is the pant, and this is a super net. Lovely dupatta. The dupatta is really lightweight, so that you can flaunt it just like that. I've got colors in this, all lovely colors. Okay, and then comes this. See this. This is very pretty design. These are all with kardana's handwork. All nice colors I've got. This color is also into trend. See this lovely color with a rayon pant, and then this comes with an amazing beautiful super net. No, it is just a net dupatta where I've got lovely colors in this. Alright, and then comes these. I'll open this blue and show. It's a contrast matching with a beautiful hand embroideries, and then this is the pant with a beautiful like this silk cotton, soft silk cotton dupattas where you can just like that you can wear it. Alright, and then comes these once again, the kardanas. See this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 colors I have got. All are pretty beautiful ones, and the range is also very economical. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to that page. See this, for a small little function also you can wear this. This is so pretty, where I have got wonderful colors in this. All nice contrast matchings. Alright, and then comes these. 1, 2, see this. Pant, this is the pant, and this is the organza, half organza dupatta. Lovely night. And once again the colors are these 2 different colors. And then comes these. See this one. This is also the organza concept dupatta. 2, 3, see 4. So all my friends, you have a lovely shopping today at Shivani's boutique. All are beautiful concept. You see this dupatta is so amazing in this. It's a beautiful organza dupatta with a beautiful embroideries where you can wear it for a small little function also. These are all French knots with hand embroideries. Alright, and then I will show this. See this? This is the top with the work, and then comes the pant, and then with a beautiful floral embroidery dupattas, and then comes these. See this one, all are different 2. See this 3. All right, and then I'll open this. These 2 are different. This is different and this is different. See, dupattas are so nice and amazing, and especially for this season, rainy season, this fabric are really apt for you. See this, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll open this navy blue. Such an amazing product. These are all mixed kind of. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. If you have any difficulties in payments or anything regarding payment gateway, you can definitely contact us via WhatsApp. Only WhatsApp, please. All right, see this. Nice ones, pretty ones. See this dupatta is so nice. Dupatta concept is very nice, and the neck pattern is also with kardana hand embroideries. All right, and then comes these all lovely collections. This time I definitely wanted to upload more stocks because so many people are missing out, so I thought this time it should be little more stocks with little more new varieties. All right, and see, this is the lovely pretty dupatta, and then comes these once again kardanas and beads and everything. The work is so amazing, where I've got 5 beautiful colors in this. See, this is the top, and this is a beautiful kota dupatta. See, this flow is so amazing, and this is the pant. All right, and then comes this. I have only one color in this. It's a self-checked with a French knots and thread works, and this is the dupatta for this. All right, my last piece is this lovely embroidery whites. Super net kota fabric, which I am wearing right now. This is the top pant with an amazing dupatta. So all are pretty ones. My last design. See these. I'll go for this mehendi green color in this. All colors are really beautiful. And see, this comes with a beautiful silk cotton pant with a beautiful knitted dupatta. All right, we are done. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. We'll be up with lots and lots of new exclusive silk saree collections next week. It's going to be. So until then, bye bye. Stay safe.